So there was somebody walking and they're like, man, it stinks around here. So you know that's some good fertilizer right there if that's the case.
AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, how's it going? Today I'm gonna go lay down some fertilizer called Sunniland. I was looking for Malorganite. That's what I want to lay down, but they're out of it at Lowe's and Walmart, and they don't have none at Home Depot. But there's people recommended this fertilizer called Sunniland. It's like the clone of Malorganite. I follow the Lawncare nut on YouTube, and he recommends it. So if he says it's good, then it's good for me. But there's a 3-part video. The first video, I detached the lawn and then I aerate it. Now I'm gonna lay down some fertilizer, the Sunniland. It's organic, so it's so it's not gonna burn the ground. It doesn't have to be wet, or watered. It'll slowly do its job. It's been raining, like almost like every day, but lightly. So I mean, it's okay if it gets rained on. But it's not gonna rain too much, If it rains too much, then it's gonna create puddles. It'll probably like run off the street. So it's just enough rain just to water it down into the soil. So let me go and show you the yard right now. So on Saturday, I didn't do a video of it, but I mowed it. I mowed the lawn, and I laid on some MSM post emergent to kill some weeds. See these plugs right here? I did detach the yard though, but there's like a lot of dead grass right here, but it's not like too much thatch. I mean, the fertilizer's still gonna hit the soil. All right, but I did do a lot of I did pick up a lot of thatch though. See these plugs right here? So I'm gonna go and lay down some of that Sunniland. I want that fertilizer to go inside those plugs, those holes that we made. This area right here, this corner right here of my property, is 9,802 square feet. So round that off, 10,000 square feet. So that's 4 bags right there. Each bag is covers 2,500 square feet. So I bought 7 bags. So I'm gonna lay down 4 bags. I'm gonna cover the whole area from over there all the way over there, and then right there, before my SUV. And I got 3 more bags, to cover 7,500 square feet. So I'll just lay that down also. Look at that right there. See those holes? Look at that. This came out. Yeah, it has a purpose of aerating. Open up the make some pores for the ground. So it could breathe. They could get nitrogen, air, and that fertilizer. That hopefully will drop in there. So I'm gonna use this Scott's Turf Builder. All right, so I reckon the settings on here. Here it is right here. Sunniland all natural, slow release fertilizer, non-burning, contains iron, 5 nitrogen right there. The Malorganite, it has 6 though. This is 5, but it's close enough. Main thing is it's non-burning and it's natural, organic, slow release fertilizer. So that tells you how to do it. Go around the square and go like this, and then go like this. So that's why I bought those extra 3 bags. 4 bags should cover 10,000 square feet, and then I got these other 3 bags just to do that other pass right there. Okay. And so on here it doesn't have the Scott's, the one I have, which is Scott's Turf Builder. It doesn't have it, but they say kind of like I saw people using it on YouTube, and they have it at 6 though, but 6 is too much. All right, I think this may be off right here. This is old, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it like at 4.5. Doesn't look like they even do nothing. So we're gonna leave it like there, see what happens. I'm excited to put this on the ground. I wanted Malorganite because that's what a lot of guys on YouTube use though. But this is the clone of Malorganite, Sunniland. As they said, it works just as well. So we're just gonna go for it. Just rip it open. That's one bag. That's one bag right there. All right, let's go and have fun. So once I'm done with this video, I'm gonna post it on YouTube. And like 2 weeks from now, I'll make another video, a after video of how the yard's turning out. If you subscribe to me and follow me, I really appreciate you. It means a lot to me. And I'm gonna be making more videos for y'all, so enjoy. So I think I'm too much overlapping my route. I mean, going back and forth because it's hard to see because these are like real dark on the ground to see where I'm actually they're actually landing at. So I think I'm overlapping too much, but that's okay because you know it's just getting more fertilizer and I got more bags too. So hey, so continue to enjoy. One whole bag right there. I just took care of that hole all right there to back there, and that's supposed to be 10,000, like 9,000, a little over 9,000 square feet. So I ran it up to 10,000. So, and that bag's supposed to be 2,500 square feet. So I'm gonna turn this dial up to like number 7. I was supposed to use 4 bags for one pass. And I only use 1 bag. So I got 3 bags left. Well, actually, I got 6 bags left. Cause I was gonna use 4 bags to cover 10,000 square feet and the other 3 bags just to go over. So I have a lot of that Sunniland fertilizer left, y'all. So let me go ahead and just do this over. Go and refill the bag. Get another bag and fill the spreader. And I have it down to 7. And it should cover more. I mean, it should like let out more fertilizer. So I got it I dialed it to 7 right there. All right, so I gotta let out. I'm either walking too fast or the setting's supposed to be higher. Well, once again, I told you that this the Scott spreader wasn't on the bag, so I just started off like at 4. Now I'm going to 7. See how it goes, because I'm supposed to use 4 bags for this whole little area, and I only used 1 bag so far, and I already finished. I'm either walking too fast or it wasn't letting it out fast enough. Here we go again. 7's a good number. 7 sitting because look, I'm already like almost more than halfway full. I mean more than halfway empty. All right, so I guess that's the thing I had to do is double 7. So I should use the other 3 bags to finish the whole reel. And I have another extra 3 bags to like go over it again. More the better, right? So I pretty much used, I'm on my 4th bag. I still have half of that left. So I'm gonna use that half to cover this little square right here. All right, and then I'm gonna use the other 3 bags to cover that whole long area, the one where I started off at, to back there. So that should be, I guess 2 applications right there. So thanks for following still, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe and like. Alright, so I got 3 bags left. I'm gonna go finish that area all the way over here to back there. Alright, so I'll be right back. So the thing about this Malorganite and Sunniland is not gonna burn the grass. I can put as much as I want to on here, but in the morning with the moisture, when the ground is wet, that'll start working the Malorganite. And also we should be getting like a little bit of rain today and tomorrow, like light rain. There was somebody walking and they're like, man, it stinks around here. So you know that's some good fertilizer right there. That's the case. Alright, this is the last bag, y'all. I'm almost done. Alright, thanks for watching this video with me. So there's 7 bags of Malorganite right there I used in my spreader, my Scotts Turf Builder spreader. Alright, so I used a setting of 7. So a setting of 7 should I got all 4 bags down. Alright, so that whole area that I covered over there, it should have been 4 bags to cover that whole corner on the other side. But I used 7 bags right there. Alright, so hey, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, hit like if you liked it, or just hit like just because, you know what I mean. I did this video for y'all, for entertainment. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. There's more videos to come. I'm gonna be doing another video like 2 weeks from now to see how the grass is turning out, so you can see. So just stay tuned for that. Mark that on our calendar, 2 weeks from now. And after a video of the Malorganite and dethatching and aerating. So I mowed it and I applied some MSM post emergent to kill some weeds, and then I took a video of me dethatching it, and then then another video of me aerating the yard, and this is the 3rd video of laying out not Malorganite but the Sunniland fertilizer. I want to use Malorganite though, but they didn't have any at any of the stores around here. Saw some reviews, not reviews, some YouTube videos of Sunniland fertilizer, the one I just used. Heard some good stuff about it, so that's why I used it. So thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye.